Today I have spinach, not everybody's favorite. Potatoes, everybody's favorite. So I'm going to combine the two and make one of my favorite recipes. That's called Aloo Palak or spinach potatoes. Let's start with making the onion paste. 4 green chillies, 1 small piece ginger, 1 tablespoon cashew nuts, half teaspoon cumin seed powder. And now I'm going to grind this into a fine paste. The onion paste is ready, so let's start cooking. 1.5 tablespoon butter. You can use ghee or clarified butter also. I'm going to saute this onion paste for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Cook the onion very well. You can see the onion paste has changed color and dried out as well. I'm going to add the tomato pulp. For the tomato pulp, I boiled 1 tomato and then peeled off the skin and churned it into a pulp. Cook the tomato pulp for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add 2 tablespoon curd or yogurt. After the curd is mixed well, I'm going to add the 2 bunches spinach, boiled and pureed. Mix it well. And now I'm going to add the remaining spices, that is Garam Masala, just a little bit, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to add a little bit of water, around half a cup, and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add 2 potatoes boiled and chopped. Don't cook the gravy for very long, so make sure your tomatoes, onions and everything is well cooked before that. And also don't cover it after you finish cooking, because once you cover the gravy and while it's hot, it's going to change color immediately. And the aloo palak is ready. Do try it at home. Comment below. Let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.